Hey friends, who's hungry? This easy blueberry Jello salad has a juicy burst with every bite. In a large mixing bowl, dissolve 2 3-ounce packages of grape Jello with 2 cups of hot water. Stir for 2 minutes until the Jello is dissolved. Next, add 1 21-ounce can of blueberry pie filling and 1 20-ounce can of drained crushed pineapple. Pour the mixture into a 9 by 13 by 2-inch casserole dish. Refrigerate for about 4 hours until the Jello is firm. Now for the topping. Beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese at medium speed with an electric mixer until smooth. Add 1 cup of room temperature sour cream and 1 cup of white sugar. Beat until the cream cheese mixture reaches a spreadable consistency. Then spread the cream cheese mixture over the Jello and top with half a cup of chopped pecans. Keep the casserole refrigerated until ready to serve. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.